Hi, welcome to Pauline Yong's channel. If you like our videos, please click the like and the subscribe buttons. Also, please comment below to submit your area of interest. In this video, we will cover the electric vehicle or EV industry. We will explain what really is electric vehicles and what are the related industry category stocks that will grow along with the EV industry. Environmental consciousness has been a major investing theme in recent decades, one that has further been accelerated by the pandemic. A growing number of investors are making environmental, social, and corporate governance, or ESG, investing a priority when shaping their portfolio. Europe and China also have an ambitious climate and energy framework to push down carbon emissions in the region by reducing emission targets to foster cleaner transportation. The increasing environmental standards for passenger cars has led to higher sales of EVs in the region. According to Laurence Montanari, Vice President of the Transportation and Mobility Industry in Paris, by 2030, we expect the mobility market, including alternative powertrains such as EV, plug-in EV, and hydrogen fuel cell, and autonomous vehicles and mobility as a service providers to pass $1 trillion. What really is electric vehicles? The main difference is the combustion engine. The regular cars that we are familiar with are made of engines. We call it the internal combustion engine, ICE, that requires lubricants and petrol to power up the cars. For the electric vehicles, they are classified into three categories by the degree that electricity is used as their energy source. They are the hybrid electric vehicles, HEV, the plug-in hybrid vehicle, PHEV, and the battery electric vehicle, BEV. The word hybrid means combination, so when you see the vehicle model that has the word hybrid, it means the vehicle is powered by both engine and electricity. The first type of EV is the hybrid electric vehicle, or HEV. HEVs are powered by both gasoline and electricity. The electric energy is generated by the car's own braking system to recharge the battery. This is called regenerative braking, a process where the electric motor helps to slow the vehicle and uses some of the energy normally converted to heat by the brakes. Hybrid electric vehicles use an internal combustion engine, ICE, like regular gas cars, but they also have an electric motor and a small battery. Electric power from braking is stored in the battery to help drive the HEV while overtaking or during acceleration. HEVs are a popular eco-friendly option because they somewhat reduce pollution and carbon dioxide and offer better fuel economy than ICE cars. Examples of hybrid electric vehicles are Toyota Prius Hybrid, Honda Civic Hybrid, Toyota Camry Hybrid. The second type of electric vehicle is the plug-in hybrid electric vehicle. Plug-in hybrid electric vehicles can recharge the battery through both regenerative braking and plug in to an external source of electrical power. PHEVs have plug-in option for an external charger and has a larger battery than the HEV, which gives it a more power to run its electric motor. These EVs are gaining in popularity because you can drive 100% electric for short distances on the battery before switching to the gas engine, offering you much better fuel economy with a lot of less pollution and CO2 than the HEVs. PHEVs are for drivers who are more serious about going green but don't want to worry about running out of battery. Examples of the plug-in hybrid electric vehicles as follows. The third type of the electric vehicles is the battery electric vehicle that is fully powered by the battery. They are fully electric vehicles with rechargeable batteries and no gasoline engine. Battery electric vehicles store electricity on board with high-capacity battery packs. BEVs do not emit any harmful emissions and hazards caused by traditional gasoline-powered vehicles. BEVs are charged by electricity from an external source. Examples of the battery electric vehicles are as follows. The world's most famous BEV are the Tesla Model 3, Model S, Model X, and Model Y. In the next section, we will look into the components of the electric vehicles industry. For the electric vehicle components market, we have identified 8 major segments that offer opportunities in the market. Number 1 is the battery pack segment. Without batteries, there is no EV industry. Investors are increasingly eyeing battery-related stocks, including companies that mine and refine lithium, which is the key element in the lithium-ion batteries. Lithium is often referred to as a white gold or white oil in a reference to its value and central position in the green energy revolution. Companies that are the leaders in these segments are Ganfeng Lithium, a leading Chinese lithium mining company that has evolved into refining and processing lithium, battery manufacturing and recycling. Panasonic, a top 3 global EV battery manufacturer from Japan. Livent, a top 5 lithium producer from the US. Contemporary Amperex Technology Limited, a top 3 EV battery manufacturer from China. Other smaller players listed on the US markets are Albemarle Corporation, Enphase Energy Inc, Enersys, FMC Corp, Lithium Americas Corp. Number 2 is the EV motor segment. Electric vehicles need motor to propel the car to move forward. The following are the major players in this segment. They are the Toyota Motor Corporation from Japan, Aisin Seiki Company Limited from Japan, BYD Company Limited from China, Tesla Inc from US, BAIC Beijing Automatic Industry Holding Company Limited from China. The third segment is the electric vehicle controller segment. The controller is somewhat of a middleman as it ensures balance and proper flow of energy within an electric vehicle. It also serves as the brain as it figures out how much energy is needed by the vehicle to go smoothly on the road. Some of the major companies operating in the global electric vehicle motor controller market are Continental, American Motors Corporation, Air International Thermal Systems, Safecon, Fujitsu Limited, Delphi Automotive, Siemens AG, Texas Instruments, Robert Bosch, Metric Mind, EVS Auto Group, Denso Corporation, Fuji Electric, BYD Auto, Hitachi Automotive Systems, Mitsubishi Electric, and Toyota Industries Corporation. The fourth segment is the EV supply equipment. The global electric vehicle supply equipment market size was valued at $14.1 billion in 2018, registering a compounding annual growth rate of 33.1% from 2019 to 2025. Supply equipment used for charging electric vehicles in various residential and commercial locations such as homes, corporate offices, highways, and etc. Some of the key players in the market are AeroVironment, ABB, ChargePoint, Clipper Creek, ChargeMaster plc, Eaton Corporation, Leviton Manufacturing, and Siemens. The fifth segment is the DC to DC converter segment. In electric engineering, a DC to DC converter is a category of power converters, and it is an electric circuit which converts a source of direct current from one voltage level to another by storing the input energy temporarily and then releasing that energy to the output at a different voltage. China is the biggest EV DC to DC converter market at present by volume, and it is majority comprised of BEVs. In terms of the suppliers, Toyota Industries, Continental AG, Delta Electronics, and Valeo are the leading players in the automotive DC to DC converter market globally. The sixth segment is the high voltage cables. The global high voltage cables market size was valued at $14.6 billion in 2019, and it is projected to reach $23.4 billion by 2027, registering a compounding annual growth rate of 6% from 2020 to 2027. High voltage cable HVC are cables used for electric power transmission at high voltages over long distances. Some of the leading players in the top high voltage and the medium voltage products market include ABB Limited from Switzerland, Eaton Corporation plc from Ireland, General Electric Company from US, Schneider Electric SE from France, and Siemens AG from Germany. Number 7 is the power distribution module segment. A power distribution unit or PDU is an enclosure fitted with multiple components incorporating various voltages, amperages, and functions connected via internal bus bars, cable harness, and accessed externally via specific connectors. Here is the list of the key companies in this segment. Number 8 is the Vehicle Interface Control Module segment. The global vehicle interface control module market is projected to grow at a compounding annual growth rate of 2.6% to reach USD 35.7 billion by 2027 from an estimated USD of 29.2 billion in 2019. It is the processor-based power distribution center that supervises and controls the function related to the vehicle body like lights, windows, door locks, security, access, and comfort controls. The major players for this segment include the Bosch from Germany, Continental from Germany, Lear Corporation from US, Hella from Germany, and Aptiv from UK, among others. These companies have strong distribution network at a global level. In addition, these companies offer an extensive product range. From the statistics, by 2022, electric vehicles will cost the same as their internal combustion counterparts, and that's a point of a liftoff for the sales. Here are the top 10 electric vehicles by market capitalization in the world. Rank number 1 is Tesla from USA, market capitalization of 648 billion. Rank number 2 is Nio from China, market capitalization of 72 billion. Rank number 3 is Xpeng from China, market capitalization of 27 billion. Rank number 4 is Leeauto from China, market capitalization of 23 billion. Rank number 5, Fisker, USA, market capitalization 8 billion. Rank number 6, Nikola, USA, market capitalization of 7 billion. Rank number 7, Niu Technologies, China, market capitalization 3 billion. Rank number 8, Workhorse Group, USA, market capitalization 2 billion. Rank number 9, Greenpower Motor Company from Canada, market capitalization 651 million. And lastly, rank number 10, Electrameccanica Vehicles from Canada, market capitalization 635 million. For Busan Malaysia related stocks, we will cover in the next video. The above analysis is for information purpose and we do not initiate a buy call or a sell call. At the point of recording, we do not hold any of the stock mentioned in this video. Thank you.